Welcome to DIY Future project. DIY is an Erasmus Plus funded project aiming at teaching young people DIY skills to increase the lifetime of products and sustainable consumption. In this unit, we will talk about transforming electronic waste into artistic and functional items, introduce innovative methods for upcycling old gadgets, particularly keyboards and compact discs, into unique products like jewelry, keychains, and mosaics. Participants will learn how to creatively repurpose e-waste, reducing environmental impact while creating aesthetically pleasing items. The module covers practical steps, including disassembling and cleaning gadgets, cutting and shaping parts, and assembling them into new designs. It emphasizes the importance of recycling to minimize the ecological footprint of discarded electronics and showcases creative approaches to upcycling. Keep learning by exploring DIY Future contents on the website www.diyfuture.eu.